It's Tiberius from Supertech Electronics, and today we're going to remove a Subaru Outback Stereo. Now the tools you will need is a pair of pliers, a plastic spudger and a Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, we're going to get started by removing this plastic surround around here, and you can do that by getting your plastic spudger in around the edges and loosen it. Then we'll do the same to the other side. Okay, so we get our plastic spudger in and we'll remove this altogether. Okay, that whole part can just go out of the way for the time being. Now that will expose 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. You'll need to remove those, but before you do, there is an antenna cable that lives behind this guy down here, and that's this guy here. So we're going to remove that like so, and this is where the pliers come in handy. We're just going to push this little plastic clip back through. Okay, so that's what we had to push back through with the pliers. Now that it's pushed through, we can just close that up. We don't need to keep that open. And we've undone our 4 screws, so the whole stereo will come out. It will be attached with these guys. So you push the middle pin and pull it towards the back of the stereo. You cannot get them in the wrong place, so don't worry about that. And this is the aerial lead we unplugged from down there. That'll go with the stereo, and that's ready to send off to Supertech Electronics for repair.